Yo, you should be live. Check, 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 check. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Uh, yo, looks like we have been blessed with a good range this morning, or like good movement. Uh, Yesterday is thankfully behind us because I did not trust myself yesterday, and I should have. I had one good trade, honestly, kind of two turn into three bad trades. So, today's a new day. Sometimes you just gotta shake it off. It is what it is. All right, Jay Wells, top of the morning. Shorting Tesla at open. Let's see how rinsed I get. Let's see. Hopefully you don't get rinsed, but let me check the market structure for you. See how I'm feeling. All right, so trend of course is up on Tesla. It can pull back. Let's look at it on the 1 hour real quick. I mean, it's not anything I would go for, but like it's in its range. It is in the premium section, so it could pull back. So there's room for that. Um, Highest probability, not necessarily, but depending on what you're looking for, it might be cool. Only thing I say be careful about is how things are right at open. You pay a little bit more for contracts and they quickly lose value. So just be careful there. Oh, you said scalp? Okay. Yep. Sounds good. Yeah, that's a very important context right there. Very, very important context. All right. Yolish. Good morning. Let's say Martin. Oh, morning, Mr. Matthew A. Top of the morning, tortillas. 7:07. Good morning, all. I was thinking Tesla long, so your odds are good. Oh, D skirt. Hey, I think it can go both ways. It can go both ways. Hey, check the range. Hey, maybe they start off filling that gap. Yeah, I'm just gonna play the spy today. I'm gonna wait for it to do its thing. If we come and test this low right here, we'll start off with that. We'll see how it does. I'll play, see if it'll like make its way back up, but taking it light and easy for the most part today. Let's see. Let me see. Okay. Sorry, I was doing some math in my head. Oh, I definitely did that wrong. Okay. Off by one. Let's see. Options grower, top of the morning. You said about SPX. So SPX should probably be the same as the SPY. I will be trading the SPY, but yeah, looking at it, it's the same kind of story. So if I were to take the SPX, wait, hold up. That's Wednesday. So I guess that's Thursday. So yeah, actually there's like less data for me to go off of. on the SPX. So yeah, SPX shows me like a little bit of a different story. This is Wednesday, Thursday, but today's Friday. Yeah, I don't love the SPX because I don't see the pre-market stuff on it. So I'm gonna take that back. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to the SPY. Let's see. Joey V, top of the morning. Everyone hit that like button. Hey, appreciate that. Appreciate that. Yeah, be sure. Oh, yo, we got 37 people on, but only 8 people came through and said, "Hey, we gonna smash that like button." Yo, it costs you absolutely nothing. It's free. It's free, family. Let's see. You said what you like today, Spy Revenge. Hey, appreciate that, Patrick. What was I gonna say? Oh, Steelers 41 with the membership. Okay, let's go. Yeah, top of the morning, Patrick. Top of the morning, Steelers 41. Let's see. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking for the SPY. Yesterday I traded the Qs, and my initial plan like turned out to be right, but I didn't trust what I knew. Like I wasn't at my I wasn't at my best yesterday trading. And it's like after the fact when I reflected on it, it's like, okay. Yeah, it's like I knew better. And like even if what I initially had done had failed, that still should have been what I done, because that's what I know. I was trying to shrink things down too small. M-Sense, top of the morning. Yo, it's been a minute, M-Sense. Green on the week. These girls getting better. Matthew, I keep being me and messing up occasionally. Yo, I was messing up yesterday too. Let's see. No Alcatraz. Hey, appreciate that, these girls. Osama, good morning. Nvidia above 214.20. Entry calls here. Let's see. Yeah, let's slide that up a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's the level for sure. Oh, okay. Market's open. So yeah, I've been having those moments. I knew better as well, and not squeezing the trick. Hey, it happens. Happens to the best of us. All right, so we got Tesla going up, pushing up. We'll see. We will see. Okay, Apple trying to push up. Go ahead and kind of adjust it. I'm gonna get rid of this little parallel channel on Apple. I don't like seeing it there. I'm gonna take these and kind of adjust them. Yeah, we still got Tesla pushing. We'll give everything its first 15 minutes or so. Do what it's gonna do. Monica, good morning. Happy Friday. Okay, we got we got Nvidia passing that what was it, 214.20. Yeah, we got some stuff testing the highs or pushing highs. Something just okay. Well, I gotta change this Tesla alert because it says monthly and it keeps throwing me off. We gotta get rid of that because it keeps telling me monthly. I keep thinking that's bigger. There we go. All right, we got Apple pushing. Apple up at 292.46. All right, so I think if Apple keeps moving, 245 is going to be that next big line in the sand. Mass 3DRC, top of the morning. We got SPY back at 735. Q's headed back for all-time highs once again. Colin, good morning. Tesla hit 420. That used to be an iconic level for Tesla. That was when Elon Musk was trying to funding secured. All right, we still got Nvidia kind of pushing 214.52. Okay, Monica, looking for a good area to get some calls with time on SoFi. Here, okay. You said calls with time. That can be arranged. That can be found. Let's see. Here, I'm gonna back out from Tesla. We're gonna take a look at SoFi. Let's zoom out a little bit. So one thing we do want to notice, SoFi is kind of trending down. So I would say first area to consider would be like 1536 or so. But then below that, I think I was looking for 15. But this whole like anything down to like 14 is a demand zone. Maybe like I'm not sure if it's weekly or monthly, but I would say pretty much anything like 15 or below, I'll probably start looking at 15. But also play it level to level. So what I do with that? What I just have? I had Tesla right here. All right, so we got Tesla at 221. D-Scurve, your inkling, what you were looking for at first. Yo, it looks like you got your touchback. You got Apple moving up. You got Tesla at 422. Nvidia pushing up. Nvidia is now at 215.14. All right, let's see. Out of my Apple may have set stop loss too high. I'll accept 100%. Hey, that's good. That's good. Hey, I should have just stayed with the Apple calls I had on Monday. Did take profit on them, but if I just held that single contract, well, I'd be up like over $1,000 right now, just on one contract. But I don't like holding to the last day either. All right, so we got Apple at 293. I think we're setting up for some good potential. Oh, AMD up at 245 too. Honestly, I might want to start paying attention to that. Cause AMD, this will either be like if it gets to 430, either be a good place to look for a breakout or a zero DTE short. Let me take some looks at that. Here, let's see. I'm gonna have to get in, look at some. Where we at? Oh, that's what I was trying to do. Let's look at AMD first. So we got AMD at 424. Today 8th? Yeah, today's the 8th. Where we at? Yeah, we got AMD pushing some more. All right, so AMD at 426. We got the Qs at the high. Yeah, so we're pumping to start today. This might be a great pump to short. We'll see. Well, we're only 7 minutes into the day. Hey, let us keep going. Okay. Yeah, we'll let things slow down. Let's see. Steelers entered calls at 62, sold at 90. Hey, good. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. So yeah, we got Apple 293.61. Yeah, very interested. Let me see how these AMD contracts are moving. Bro, the SPY is pinned. But we got the Qs at all time highs. We see how these zero DTEs are looking. Oh, these zero DTEs are insane. Not quite loving those. Let me take a look at the Qs real quick. And let me take a look at the Qs on the 1 hour as well. So right now the Qs we're still like pushing on that. So this might be something I need to wait a little longer for. Or actually we got AMD pretty close to 430. And then that high, its high is 432. Let me look at it on the 1 hour and see how that looks. Yeah. Yeah, Joey V, the Qs are ripping. Okay, okay. All right, all right. Yo, it's right there. All right, so AMD pushing up. SPY waiting to gap down again. Hey, that might be it. All right. Okay, so I'm a plant a seed here. I think this level could be very instrumental right here. If there is a time to do it, I'm gonna do it here. Oh wait, hold up, hold up. Yeah, if there's a point to do it, I just grabbed a AMD 41215 put. It was at about right here. So, yo, we'll see what that does today. If we like confirm, if we start getting bullish, I'll grab a call. But I just think the opportunity on that and just the area we're at, I think we could get a good move. Even if we move to anything like 420 or something, I think there is some great potential, like pullback potential. I'll be on the lookout for more too, but that that would be that'd be some. We're still like not even 15 minutes into the market open. But yeah, we got Q's pretty much at high of day. Let me go on and slide this over a little bit. All right. But yeah, I'm also prepared for like if AMD wants to go up and go Super Saiyan, shoot, I'll flip in and get some off that too. But I'm gonna just hold on to this put because anything can happen today. So that one can like I'll allow that one to go down because if we hold here, AMD will it will do some running, but I don't necessarily think they'll just let it go today. But they could. I'm making money either way because I got the shares, and my shares will like definitely move a lot more than the option will for me. So, all right, so we got Nvidia up at 215.82. Shoot, I want to check in on Tesla, bro. The SPY's not doing anything. SPY's boring today. But yeah, we got the Qs pushing some more. Qs at all time highs right now. Hey, y'all are literally watching history in the make. Oh, you want to know what I got? I got let me here. I'll put it in the chat. Let me see. I think it was a here. Let me. It was like a 412.5. I think. Let me see. Puts, yeah, 412.5 puts for I paid 0.72. There we go. Yeah, that's what. There you go. Yeah, that's what I got it for. Yeah, we'll see what happens with that though. We'll kind of give the market some time to like set in some things. Let's oh, Nvidia, wow. Yo, it's still going. Okay, so Nvidia on its way to 217. All right. All right, we got AMD back below 430 though. Is that 430 serving as a wall? I'm up $1 on it. And I'm up like 3. Oh, AMD's all over the place. It's all over the place. Nvidia is moving though. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we're gonna have to be patient with the Qs 703. So I'll say watch out for I guess 705. Bro, this is making me realize I could have held on to that other. Oh, hold up. I think I might have some money like just sitting there kind of because the way I had to close out my contracts yesterday. Hold up. Oh yes. Yeah, go on and pop up real quick. Hold on, let me like I had to like when I closed out my calls yesterday, I had to like spread it, but it's almost to the point where there's some money there. Let me close out of those calls or close that spread I had to create. Where we at? Oh, that's a bet. Hey, that loss has been erased. That loss has been erased. Um, Lucky J, top of the morning. We just righted our wrongs from yesterday. All right. Uh, Emerson says, "Is Deep Curve still in Apple? I might get back in." Hey, oh my. So I'm gonna say there's gonna be a wall at 295 on Apple. So keep that in mind, MSense. But shoot, I don't know. There should be a wall at 705 on the Qs. There should be a wall at 295 on Apple. So just keep that in mind. MSense is D-Scurv. Oh wait. Okay, Power Noodles, $100 to 100K challenge or 1K challenge. So I was thinking about something like that. I think it would be cool to take like how I'm free live on Fridays, right? And I like to trade with $100 on Friday to like keep it nice and accessible. So like maybe we start next Friday We start with 100, and then we kind of just move it up from there. We just keep track each week. How's that sound, Power Noodles? That's kind of what I'm looking. That's kind of what I'm thinking, but because it's like my thing is if I am focused on that like every day, bro, I'll just run up. I'll either run off with it, and I'll no. So if I have that every day, I'll like run out of day trades, and then it's like I just won't. Like I'll probably like if I'm being real, I'll probably end up blowing it off. Like I'll probably like run the account up, get too comfortable, and then make some trades and not have the day trades I need, and then end up blowing it up. I'm gonna be real, like just from the assessment of myself. But I feel like if it's like, okay, I kind of got, we're doing this on Fridays. I gotta be more responsible. Yeah, I can have like now that we have like multiple accounts. Now that you can make extra accounts for things. Uh, Joey V, you said swing. One thing I'll say, like, I don't know. I haven't fully been. It's like I still like to swing, but the market, like these past few, like I don't know if it's the past couple months or so. It's been different for me. Like the way I like to swing, it's like things happen so fast and so slow at the same time that is all at the hands of Trump and whatever he decides to make happen. And it's like if I'm here to watch the trade, like say it's like the 10% challenge or whatnot, bro, I can get that easy. Like if I'm here watching it and I know I have the day trade, so I kind of just like that. All right, so I'm gonna say, oh wait, hold up, we kind of closed out for the day, so or closed, yeah, we hit our first 15. What is this? So the spy tried to move after that. Oh wait, let me slide that back down. And then we'll also take AMD, throw that right there. Take Apple, throw that there. Nvidia, we'll put that there. Whoa, what's going on? Okay. All right, and then yeah, we'll kind of watch the levels from there. All right, Power News said that's a good idea. Hey, we can run it. We can run it. Hey, next week. Hey, give me the headline for next week's live stream. Like it'll be May what day? It'll be May 15th. All right. So right now it says May 8th, $100 zero DTE live options trades. Give me the headline for next week's live stream. I will like schedule it right now, and I'll get the account set up and throw $100 in it. And anybody can like make suggestions for the title for next week. And if you see yours, you'd be like, yeah, I came up with that title. You say hantavirus spreads. Oh, that's hey. Are they what? How are hantavirus kind of titles doing on YouTube right now? I remember whenever you would talk about COVID, bro, they were suppressing and like striking people. So yeah, I'd be curious for real. You said where's the resistance for SPY? So the resistance for SPY right now it's gonna be right here at This pre-market resistance, we haven't even hit that. Honestly, I think that's probably going to be the line right there. That 736.61. I think it might push past that, and I think that might be kind of where everything else can turn around as well. Hey Joey, you're riding you're wilding for the Hana virus though. I'm curious though, like how do y'all feel about that whole like hantavirus thing? Like y'all think it's gonna like spread, like spread, or y'all think it's like okay, it's a scare, it's distracting us from something else right now, but um, Joey said if I should ride this SPX wave, it's pumping, bro. Donnie T and the boys buying call. Hey, wait, hold up. Hey, if they're buying calls, that might be the move. I think they're about to like pull the floor from beneath us. Let's see how high the Qs just went. Didn't quite hit 705, but I think that'll be like I think it either just put in the top or we're like near the top. That's personally my take. Let me see how much that put I grabbed is going for, just out of curiosity. You said you don't want tinfoil hat J Wells to come out. Hey, honestly, hey, I'm here for it. I will if it gets too tinfoily, I will read the comment like on screen and react to it verbally. But if it gets too tinfoily, I won't. I won't like verbally say it, just cause it's like I don't want my voice to be heard saying it. But who knows? You know, somebody could be trying to take my voice right now and just what is it? Make an AI clone. On the cool, if you could make like a solid AI clone of my voice, I mean, first off, I'd probably be a little annoyed because yeah, I'd be a little annoyed because I want rights and control of my voice, but also I'd be like, yo, how'd you do that? Because every software and every time I've tried to like do the ones that are supposed to be really good, bro, they sound nothing like me. One time I came out sounding like I was like Indian or something, and I was like, yo, these are all so bad. Steph Not Curry, good morning, top of the morning. Bull run, move over Bears. Hey, we'll see. I mean, yeah, we have been on a bull run. Let's get it. You said AI voice. I want to change your. Hey, for real. I shoot. I that has been something I have heard in the AI voice. It's just terrible. Like it was terrible. Like right now, I'm congested. I've been like getting over something this week, but bro, yeah, it's like I legit like you said use your AI voice, make you a rapper, hit singer. Hey, bro, honestly, something I want to do on the side if I could get like good like AI voice stuff. I don't think y'all understand how many like just all my life or like no, I would say maybe like since like I was a senior in high school, just like random females whenever like I don't know, they'll hear my voice and they'll be like, "Oh, you have the kind of voice like I wish you could like read me a bedtime story or whatever, just like just talk to me." I'm like, "Yo, that is an odd thing to say to something you just like met or someone you just met." And but it's like the amount of times I have heard the exact same thing from different people that I have just met. I'm like, "Yo, let me read some let me set up something to read some AI bedtimes or read some bedtime stories." And I'm like, yo, We on with it. Okay, so we're getting a pullback on AMD. It's good. Holding right now. Pullback on Nvidia. Pullback on Apple. Q still holding up kind of well, but hey, we'll see. ESM 7406. InvestWise. What app are you using to share your screen on this live stream? Okay, so so the website, just so you know the website, this is Trading View, where what you actually see. And then like how I'm actually sharing my screen, it is a program called OBS. It's free. I legit like looked up YouTube videos on how to set this up a while ago. Like if you follow them step by step, it's pretty easy. You just gotta like watch them and follow step by step. And it's like I set it up once and I just keep it going. You said, hey, she basically said you have that ASMR. Yeah, for real. That is, yeah, I get that a lot. And then like the first time I went to Portugal, my friend's mom, like she's Portuguese, so it's like my friend's mom met me. She asked me if I was good at singing because of my voice. She said I had a really nice voice. And I'm like, I was like, I'm not like good at singing, but hey, thank you. All right, we got the Q's pushing towards 705. All right, if the Q's like push, like if they look like they're still strong at 705, yo, we might like blow the top off. So, all right, so we got the close at 705. Yo, they might run it. It's possible. It's something to consider. But one thing I will say is that the SPY just got to this area, so this might be a good area to grab a short on the SPY. Let me see. Oh, I have a limit to my day trades as well. Hold up. It's like I'm not sure I want to like just like go for it. It's like, yeah, I don't want to use 2 day trades, but I like the idea of love the idea of a SPY short right here. The Qs don't look like it's holding them like too well. Not your average, bro. Haha. All right, Apple pulling back. Apple down to 293. What was the high for the day? Apple came up to 294.50. Nvidia came up to 217.79. The Qs came up to 705.84. No, yeah, yeah. Both of those contracts I had, like, they hit. Honestly, I wouldn't have expected the Qs to hit today. But yeah, they both hit. Part of like the strikes in the areas I was looking for were due to like the gamma exposure that I recently was like learning about on Moomoo. Since they have that for free now, that'll probably be my next video. It'll probably be about gamma exposure. Like I'm about to like jump in on that. I think that is I think that's something valuable for everyone. And it's like I've heard people talk about it and like say stuff about it, but I feel like before it was like you had to do so much to get to it. Now like on Moomoo it's like right there. I'm like, oh, they put this in my face. I'm like, oh yeah, let me actually try to know what this means now. All right, so something that might kill on the AMD put I grabbed is if they take their time on this, it'll get to a point where I'll have to, what is it? If they take their time, it'll get to a point where I have to essentially like let the contract run all day. Like it'd be nice if they just like if they're gonna kill it, just like let it die early. But they don't like to do that. They like to kind of leave people. Hold on, let's check, see what we got going. All right, so we just got consumer sentiment came in slightly negative. All right, we're trying to push up again a little bit. Here, let me take this turn on the cues to the 1 hour, see what that's looking like real quick. Let me take it to the 4. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to. So this me watching the cues and me and all this, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna hold like whatever I'm in. If I'm not out by if we don't get a move down by the end of the stream, I'm gonna still hold these till at least an hour after because what I'm seeing is on the 4 hour. I think there's still an opportunity for us to come back and at least test lows of day, or not necessarily, but like I think we could like on AMD come back to like 420. So I just depends. These market makers know what they're doing though. Let me take a look at set gamma exposure on what is it? The Qs. Oh, hold up. Tesla been moving since we haven't been looking at it. Hold up. Bro, Tesla up here at Tesla hit just below 430, but that's probably the wall for the day. Probably. Let me see what's up with Tesla. Yeah, so there is a fat call wall at Tesla, or at 430, and the next wall of puts isn't till like, bro. Honestly, hold up. Bro, yeah, till like 420. Yeah, Tesla, yo, it took off. Who was the one who said they were initially going in on Tesla? Was it Steelers 43? Who said that? Somebody's like, yo, Tesla. Nah, he was looking at something else. But D Scurv, if you had I know you were talking about, hey, I want the Tesla calls, but I was like, yo, it's doing all right. All right, AMD, okay, 435. Shoot, let me take another look at AMD. AMD might say, hey, no sir. Yeah, it might end up getting pushed up. Let me see how many contracts there are. Is it above 435 right now? Yeah, it's at so we might need to watch out for 440. Nvidia and Apple both hit record highs on Friday. Okay. Joey V said, "They ain't time to buy SPY put." Hey, yeah, I'm saying this level right here, bro. They try to keep it pinned and open, but yeah, it was looking like the area to grab a put. Here, let me take it back to the 15. Let me see what's All right, so one thing that I would still say we have a good chance on for a majority of things is for like on the 15 to come back and retest the 13 EMA. All right, so we got AMD pushing up, Apple selling off, Tesla selling off. If AMD holds up, this may end up being like a gamma thing, but I'm gonna hold on to that. Hey, I will be back. All right, we back. Let's see how we're moving. How we looking? All right, AMD 436. Okay, it's still kind of chilling for now. Apple down to 292. Tesla 427. Okay, SPY pulling back a little bit. I think SPY can come back to this. I would say there's a good chance it can come back to that low of day. We may not see it on stream, but I think that will pay. Like if I were to just come to the charts right now, look at all this, and say what trade do I think would be the best money, and if I could like start over and like say pick one thing, I'd probably go for a short on the SPY right now. If I were looking like from the lens of like, hey, how am I doing this week? Like the $100, what would I go for today? Let's see. I'm gonna add it to my watch list. I'm not trying to use 2-day trades, but yeah, I get that 735 put going for. I just added it to the watch list for 77 cents per share. So we're gonna watch that too. Where's the little? Yeah, we're gonna grab a little. Yeah, there we go. And I would think we can go here. But honestly, once you get to 735, that thing's in the money too. Mahishu said today's a Friday. I think this uptrend may be a trap. Hey, I think that is a very valid thing to say. Also, good morning, Mahishu. Yeah, got a good little pullback action coming on. Oh, and bring in the landscapers. All right, let's see. What was I? So AMD trying to pull back a little bit. All right, SPY back above that pre-market high. Trying to close up, but still yet to confirm. We'll add that. Let me take a look at AMD. I think AMD is still yet to confirm too. Ooh, hold up. Yeah, still yet to confirm on AMD yet too. So yeah, if we don't confirm to the upside, yeah, we might be on with something. You say, yes, bro, just like the Friday landscape. Well, me too, used to be Thursday. All right, AMD pulling back. All right, we got the Qs at about 705. Tesla pulling back. Tesla down to 426. Darren, what's up, family? I feel like it's been a minute. That is Darren Hilton, by the way, not Darren Scurv. Or I'm not Scurv. Actually, I doubt your last name is Scurv, but I would imagine D Scurv is short for something. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we're trying to push up some more. What's it, 9:16 right now? Hey, Tiffany, top of the morning. Hey, it's Friday, ready to make some money. Hey, let's get it. I think some money might be ready to be made. He said, D Scurv said, oh, Scurv in. Okay, there we go. Okay, it makes more sense. Wait, hold up. You got 3 R's. You gotta roll the R? It's like D Scurv. I'm not even good at rolling R's. D Scurv. Like that. See, I like, hold up. I gotta like practice that. D Scurv. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this to y'all right now. Jumped in SPY puts, 2 contracts. Let's go. Oh yeah, I think it's about to pay. I think it's gonna pay. They're just trying to take their time. Consumer sentiment falls to fresh record low in May as surging gas prices hit outlook. Hey, hey, I wanna update y'all. What are gas prices looking around you or looking like around you? What was the last gas price or what was gas last time you paid for it? I'm I'm lucky enough to or blessed enough to not have to deal with gas, but when I was in what was it? When I was in Portugal, not Portugal, when I was in Spain and when I was in Hungary, I had to buy some gas. But it was in liters, so I had no idea what was going on. It was like two something and then two something euros, which is more than a liter, so 6.15 for premium though. Okay, you get that. Hey, get that premium gas. Okay, okay. See, I want to get to a point where I'm like, yo, let me get that premium gas. 3.49 here in Stanton. Okay, not to be confused with Scranton. Okay, I have a Tesla, but I was told this morning $5 in Florida. That seems. I feel like that seems kind of high. I would think Florida's price. Okay, all right. Um, but Tiffany said, "What are we in right now?" So I have a put on AMD. I think it's gonna come down, but I don't think it'll happen on stream. But I got a 712.50 put on AMD, and I paid 72 cents per share. I got a 0 DT. And then I also added to the watch list a 735 SPY put that expires today. This is when I actually like I think this one will be like if I were to like hop in one right now, this would be the one that I did. I think the 735 SPY put, I think there is a great chance of this ending up in the money at some point today. But once again, it could still happen after the stream is over because I think we got about an hour left on stream. But yeah, it's Friday. They like to play the Friday games. Joey V, so overbought. Come on, SPY drop, man. Hey, yeah, it's like the more you want it, the longer it's gonna take. So yeah, we just here chilling. Monica, 409 in Northwest Florida. Okay, that's a little better, a little better. 35 minutes from Memphis. Okay, all right. Memphis, Tennessee. Hey, SPY over here at 737. Still like no confirmation there. But shoot, if it does confirm, shoot, it might make its way to 740 too. So we'll see what it tries to do. Let me check on the PCE's around like 0.52. That's pretty low. Like if they don't pull it back at some point today, they'll probably do something to drop it over the weekend. Bro, it's just wild how they are like get some kind of pullback over the weekend. All right, so we're like pumping up now, but we still haven't confirmed on anything. Apple is been pinned. Tesla's trying to make its way back up. We got the Qs at 706.20. Yeah, SPY's going up. Still waiting for confirmation though. Like I need a confirmation candle on the SPY. This last candle still says like, hey, we're still willing to come down to me. Northern India, we're at okay. Yeah, that is not cheap. Describe no. I was just oh, you were exaggerating on the art. Okay, I was okay. Yeah, I'm like I don't even I was like I'm not sure I'm able to properly say your name. I'm like, yo, I might have to call in shoot, I don't know anyone specific, but I would have to call in somebody to say the R part of your name if that were the case. 115 by liter. What is it like? 2 liters make up a gallon, or is it? Hold up? Let me see. Oh, it's 4 or almost 4. Okay, so it's actually 3.78. Let me multiply that by 3.78. Okay, so that's like the equivalent of it being like 434 in Panama. All right, so AMD up at almost 440. Let me see, check in on that contract I had originally grabbed. But low key, I might grab one more. Cause I still think, like if I drop my average, oh yeah, that contract is falling to the grave. Okay, so hey, yeah, AMD 440. Yeah, I'm gonna get like 3 more of those contracts. Let's see if I can get them for less. Then when it gets any kind of pullback, let's see. All right, yeah, I picked up 3 more of those AMD contracts. I paid 15 cents each. Like right here. And I got an alert set for this 13 EMA, but we'll kind of see what ultimately ends up occurring. Wait, hold on. Hey, Dominique, top of the morning. SPX and ES, not even 30-point difference. It's tracing close. Something's up. Might have to splurge. Sat here and got scalped by Apple and Tesla. Not in that SPY put yet. Waiting on a turnaround. Yeah, I feel like if we get a turnaround, it'll probably be like 10, 15 minutes after the stream goes. But yeah, I'm gonna keep I'm gonna hold strong for what I have. But just to let y'all know my new average on my contracts and what I'm factoring in for the AMD puts. So my average is 29. So if those contracts come above 29, like if those contracts get to 30, I'm profitable. And then like I guess anything further than that is cool. So now if it comes back to like I'm gonna set an alert on this 231 area, I'll probably be able to like start clawing back at that. Let's see. But also like I like that I was able to grab those contracts where I grabbed them, because now I have more. So like if we do go on some kind of run, I can like hold on to some runners while also removing my initial investment. Okay, so those contracts they went up a little bit from where I just bought them. Tiffany said, "Am I still in that AMD 515?" No, but it hit my target, so I got out. I was just trying to ride it to like 432. So yeah, I would like I would have cut out and taken profit on that. Just so you know, I got out of that yesterday. You said, "Well, shoot, what contracts are?" Oh, I bought. They were AMD. They were like 15 cents per share. They were like AMD 412.50, like $412 strike and 15 cents or 50 cents. They were the 412.50. But yeah, I want you to see the top heaviness on the SPY. We're still yet to confirm on the SPY. Like this candle, we have pulled back. So, like at the close of this candle, I still wouldn't consider the fact that we've confirmed. Like we have not confirmed to the upside. Um, Actually, we haven't even on the Qs either. So we're looking top heavy on the on AMD as well. Like they got me yesterday. They're not going to get me 2 days in a row. Like playing games like this. Like if they're going to confirm or if they're going to like do it, they're going to need to like actually actually like make it go up and confirm. But like look at that. We got the SPY pulled back to that level once again. So this candle's not going to confirm either. If it wants to come back, hey, that's cool. But it is what it is there. Let's see. Not your average, bro. I grabbed the AMD puts. So first I grabbed one down here. I averaged down up here. The issue, could you go over NVIDIA? I'm still in my 190 put option expiration. Oh, still. Oh, hold up. So I would say it kind of here. I would say kind of like. I would say bias kind of changed there a little bit. But okay. Wait, did you say 515? So they do have earnings on the 20th, I believe. I think there is a possibility that they can run into it. I would say like looking for downside, the next kind of area I would look for would be probably like 209, like on a like good pullback. I would say like kind of with the run of I guess since Wednesday, I don't think it's going to like pull back like that, but also we can see what happens over the weekend. But I would say odds wise like or what I would look for is like I would say like the best odds would be for it to come up to the high and then like pull back cuz it looks like double top, but now like it doesn't seem like enough time to me on the 190 puts just because of the pace it's moving at. Like I think it'll come back there, but I think there needs to be more time personally. Wait, what's going on? Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, Dominique. You said, am I? Yeah, I'm on. I'm in on AMD puts. Yes, I'm in on puts, and then I got a watch list put on the SPY as well. But I'm not. I don't actually have the SPY put because I. What is it? I don't want to use 2 day trades. If they want to get to the point where it's like, okay, let's actually have these. What is it? Let's actually let accounts that have 2K have unlimited day trades. It's like, all right, let's go. But nah, they're still playing games right now, so. Very welcome, Mahishu. Hey, Ken Hill, top of the morning, family. Got a little pullback on Tesla. Tesla at 424. What was I looking at here before Nvidia? Oh, I think it was Apple, maybe. Oh, Apple trying to come back up. Apple at 924. Yeah, we taking our time today. We got the Qs at 705, 73. Bro, they're just burning that data today. Let's see. See how we. Oh, okay. I was about to say, I was like, man, we got a lot of moms that like to run with their babies. But I was like, yo, there's usually only one woman that does that. But I was like, oh, this is a new one. But nah, it's raining. She just wants to get out of the rain. Let's see. Where we going? Okay, so we're starting to pull back on the SPY. Yeah, pulling back a little bit more. So SPY is now lower than it was whenever I added it to my watch list. Let me see how that actual contract is moving. Options grower, I'm done for the day. Hey, yo, have a blessed weekend. Appreciate you coming through. All right, pulling back on AMD now. Pulling back on the Qs. All right, yeah, getting some pullbacks in. Okay. Let's see. All right, so the AMD. Hey, we're up on the AMD puts from when I bought the other ones. 9 cents from being break even on that put I grabbed. First contract I bought in was like 72 cents per share. Then I bought 3 more in at 15 cents per share. So that really dropped the average. And then, yeah, let me look at that SPY watch list trade real quick. Where'd it go? Where are my watch list trades? Oh, y'all, I forgot I had a Rigetti call. Oh, and it's crazy. I've had opportunities to sell out, and now I'm just down on it. Hold on, let me look at Rigetti real quick. See what I think's gonna happen. Should I get out now? Yeah. Ooh. Hold on, let's zoom out a little bit. Oh, bro, it had come so close to my man. What do I think's gonna happen here? I don't know. Oh, there's my watch list. I'm still down like $4 from that SPY watch list. Randolph, what trading views are you using? Yeah, this is trading view. This is trading view. Tiffany, what am I in right now? I'm in an AMD put. Yeah, I'm in a put on AMD. I'm in a 412 put. It's just a 0 DTE. GG's. And Microsoft puts right now 11%. 11% up, 11% down. Caribbean Mines, top in the morning, family. You said, do I have the exact date when the new PDT? Apparently, it's already in effect, and it's just like whenever the brokerages want to like enact it themselves is whenever it actually happens. But yeah, apparently the PDT thing is already going, but none of the brokerages I'm on like use it. Let me look it up. Oh, it says starting June 2026, June 4th. So in like a month. I don't know who told me that. Like it's whenever the brokerages want to just do it. I'm over here, like I've been checking like a couple times a week. I'm like, do we have it yet? But apparently, yeah, it's the 4th. Yeah, because I was like, that's kind of messed up that some brokerages would have it. And I'm like, I don't know why not every brokerage would hop on and make that like happen like right away. Let's see how things are looking. Let's check in on the dollar. They're really trying to like make it seem like it's going to hold up. I really feel like they're just going to like drop it whenever everyone's gone. I think we need some people to like sell their contracts so they can be like, all right, we can drop it, but they're just going to try to like keep it in the range. Bro, it's crazy because at any moment they could just like put the stocks on the slide real quick, or just like drop it on the elevator. Up 20% in Microsoft puts. Hey, good stuff, family. Good stuff. I start watching couples videos for you. I want to understand more about contracts. What aspect do you mean? Like I have here. Look, I got a playlist that'll probably help. Let me see. right, Randolph. I would say like check out that playlist. So that's a series of videos. It'll kind of take you through the process of like the first couple videos are more about just trading and charting. Um, After those first two videos, it gets more into options and like the contracts and understanding them. So like if you already understand the stuff in the first couple videos, like if you understand stuff in the video, just skip on to the next video. But I would say watch those videos and you will get a better understanding. And you said, do I give private lessons of trading? At the moment, not something I really do that much. But I will say, like, if you come through, like, I have Zoom calls every every Wednesday for like the members, and I'll be real, like it's like we have it's not like too many people. It's like a very small group, intimate group that comes to the Zoom calls, and on those Zoom calls, it's like I will go over, answer your questions, and I would say that is a much better value, like coming in once a week or even just coming in once and sitting in on one of those Zoom calls than paying for a one-on-one with me. Because it's like if you're trying to schedule like a private lesson, uh, and it's outside of my schedule, it's like, yo, you're I don't know, it's like I would say honestly, most of the time people are better off coming to like a live, like just me trading live or the Zoom call, because bro, people will pay hundreds of dollars for like 45 minutes, and it'll be like they'll tell me what it is, or they'll say something, and it'll be questions I answer on these live streams, and most of the time I just send like, I'm like, hey, watch this video. And it's like, if you have any questions, like, let me know. But most of the time, they're like, oh, wow, that video helped. And that's it. I'm like, oh, I don't feel like it was worth the money you just paid me. But so, yeah, I would just say, like, check one of those. Okay, NVIDIA bounced off the pre-market high 5 minute. Oh yeah, it's like a lot of stuff is like bouncing off right now. I don't trust like here. Let's see what you're. But also the 5 minute doesn't do anything for me. But let's see what Nvidia is looking like. Let's check in on that. Wait, so this was the start of the day. This was pre-market. Okay. Well, they're landscaping in the rain. That's not optimal. Okay, so they're trying to like melt us up. I think they're gonna pull the floor from between us, but it is what it is. Dominique said the Zoom call is very appreciate that. Yeah, Dominique's there like every week, pretty much. Do I mess with the Wall Street Trapper? Yeah. Like I wouldn't necessarily say I watch everything, but like like I watch his stuff. Yeah. I'm not like I know we got some people here, like I think like D Scurv and M Sense. I know they really do. I know they're there for like the Tuesdays and stuff. Y'all probably like hey, you might find them in the chats. But it's like I'll watch whenever like I have the time, and like yeah, when I have the time and that's what I want to see. But yeah, I mess with it. I mess with them. Okay. Hey Timothy, good morning. Been watching Apple for the pullback. RSI 73. I don't think it's gonna blow through 295 if it gets There, yeah, we can look back to Apple. Let's see. Nah, yeah, I feel like look at this. It's set. Actually, hold up. I don't know. Like you can see there's selling pressure here. The trend is up, so I wouldn't necessarily say like that's just strong. But I would say when it comes here, it'll probably get another push down and then just watch right here. This area right here would actually be an entry for upside. But if it ends up failing this level, yeah, we could come back down here. So you kind of just gotta watch and see. But ideally, I don't know, maybe you come up here, price gets pushed down to here, and then ideally you get a continuation. But something to watch for is like, oh, if that breaks, it's like, oh yeah, we're probably coming back down. So just see, wait and see. Joey V, hey, appreciate you. NWBLK. You said morning, sir. Do I know? So I don't know Keenan personally, but there was a point in time when Keenan was starting out. I think I was like new on YouTube too, and like, bro, we used to comment on each other's videos. So like, if you go back far enough on my channel, you can see him comment on my videos. And like, if you go back far enough on this channel, you'll see me commenting. Like, so we're it's just like, yeah, I watch his videos. I don't think he watches mine anymore. But like, I was back there like whenever he used to have like the little like stick peoples and stuff. And what was I gonna say? This. But yeah, I was there when he used to have all the stick people and whatnot. And yeah, oh yeah, we kind of go back. All right, let's see. FPY. Oh, that's okay. He's talking to M Sense. Apple is tending to pull back and run. Yeah, Apple been playing games. Apple 100 could fall below 290 intraday. You said he likes my videos. Hey, I would say, yo, he definitely used to. I'll get together with him again at some point though. I think during like whenever I used to work at when I lived in Colorado, that's when all that was happening. And like, bro, I took some time off from trading and YouTube and stuff. And then like, bro, next thing I know, I come back, bro. Keenan done blown up. I'm like, yo, when he grow like this? I'm like, dang. I think that was the whole like GameStop AMC or AMC. Yeah, he like rode that wave. I'm like, yes. Hey, good stuff. Made a quick 150 on SPX. Didn't want to get greedy. Can't wait for that new PDT. Oh no, yeah, I feel you there. Trade with the chart, not with your heart. Hey, 100%. He appreciates your training when he wants to quickly show new folks things. Oh, that's clean. Oh, that's clean. I'm glad he's doing that. That's probably where a lot of my views come from then. Took me a couple blown accounts to manage my emotions correctly. Hey, I feel you. Like, bro, yesterday, I kind of blew up. I blew up yesterday a little bit. I'm not gonna blow up today though. It's like, what was I gonna say? I blew up yesterday because it's like, I would say the situation was kind of similar today. We kind of like ran up and like Honestly, at this point yesterday, we were running up. Let's actually look at yesterday. Let me see. So yesterday I traded the Qs. Let's go to the levels real quick. So that's today. What's this? Okay, so yesterday on the Qs, I think we had pre-market resistance, like right here. Pre-market support, like right here. I'm gonna temporarily delete this line. Let me see. All right, so this was a range. We came up about right here. I had grabbed like or maybe like right here, I grabbed a short, and I was gunning for this down here. But what happens? We came up here, and I said 700. I might whatever. And I guess I was watching it on the 2 minute, and like, bro, this felt a lot longer than it actually was. Cause like I had closed the put and flipped to a call. Cause I was like, oh, it looks like it might go up, and then it just sold off. I'm down on the call, which I got out of. Like I got my money back for the call today, which is good. Cause I like kind of like spread it, closed it. But then, yeah, we came where I was originally supposed to. So I'm like, man, I closed out the put. I closed out the call, or I got a call and lost on that. And then we came back where I was originally supposed to and get my payday. So now it's like, yo, we're gonna have to kind of wait and do our thing. Or yeah, I have to wait and have my thing going. Here, let's see. Wait, hold up. Hold on. I think I missed your. Oh, you can hear that? Yeah, they're definitely mowing my grass. They do that like almost. It seems like almost every day. Almost every day. Like these landscapers or the HOA, they pay for it. Honestly, I'm gonna say the grass, it looks all right, but it doesn't look like they're taking care of it every day. Let me see where. What was the last one I said? Red. Okay. KG also teamed up with Larry, Josh, and Mo. That helped him. Bro, I haven't seen Mo in a minute. And like Josh, honestly, I'm not like too familiar with Josh, if I'm being real. But I seen that too. Bro, we're just chilling here though. Let's see. Bowtie Keenan is. You said Bowtie Keenan. That's wild. Bro, yeah, he did used to rock that bow tie. And now he don't care. I think that's how it is. That's how it should be. That's how it should be. It's like you don't have anything to prove to anybody. Let's see. I'm moving over to Tasty Trade account. Mind me asking why. I think like early on I used Tasty Trade. You said, what's your thoughts on weekly dividend stocks? I have no thoughts on them. I'm gonna say most of them are. I would say most of them are typically speculative, but like I don't have any thoughts on them. It's like ultimately it comes down to whatever your investment strategy is. If you have a plan, if you have a strategy, that means you've probably accounted for the potential downfalls there too. So unless I can see like, hey, what's your whole plan with this? I can't really come in with like, hey, what do I think about this? But the thoughts of receiving dividends weekly are cool, but I would also say like I like growth more, like the idea of growth and like how much things can grow. Like I was in the stock market when AMD was like a $2 stock, I believe. but I wasn't paying any attention to it. But I have AMD as low as like $75 now, and it's like, oh shoot, yeah, that's great. I had Palantir. I had like a couple hundred shares of Palantir. I at $8. I had to sell out of most of them at $22, unfortunately. But it's like I knew the potential, and I personally think growth will outpace dividends. It's like if you can invest into growth or anything like that, I think that's better for me. But ultimately, it just kind of comes down to you. Let's see. Bowtie Keenan. Yeah, I heard. Okay. I think the virus will affect vaccination stocks. Possibly. I try not to like. There are all these stocks that get catalysts. Like people like to trade the war stocks. People like to trade like I don't know, like oil and whatnot. But I try to keep it simple. I'll trade the Mag 7. I'll trade like I mostly just stick to the SPY because it's affected in some way too, and it's like I know the way it is, but like it's like whenever it comes into trading other things, it's like it's less predictable. It's like okay, there's a breakout. How far can it run? Uh, if I can get my base hits day to day, that's good enough for me. Like as long as I'm moving forward every day, and then like oh maybe we get to the point where we're like what is it? Maybe we get to the point where we are like we have more to spread out our risk. Bro, it's kind of hot in here. I have to take off my hoodie, man. I've been using Tasty Trades for years. It's the best. It's more efficient, especially with fast, easy exits and entries. Usage of brackets. It's my cash accounts. Okay. Always good to have at least two. Yeah, I got a lot. I have a Tasty Trade account. I got Tasty Trade, TD Ameritrade. Uh, I got a SoFi. I don't use it. Webull. I don't use it. Honestly, I don't use Tasty Trade either. But um, the ones I use right now are just Robinhood and Moomoo. Oh, and Interactive Brokers, but Interactive Brokers they don't let me trade options, so I just use it for shares. Darren said, "I remember $10 Palantir. We'll be telling our grandkids about that." No, yeah, I'm looking. I'm looking for the next ones now. I remember. I remember what would be the equivalent of like a $500 or $600 Lucid. Look at this. Oh wait, hold up. Where we at? Yo, Lucid is $6 right now. You go back on the monthly chart. Yo, it used to be almost like 600 at one point. Yeah, it hit 648. Back then they used to call it CCIV. And then now, it's just down here. Elon gonna have that SpaceX available soon. Might need to sprinkle a little on that. Hey, Yeah, that's all I personally do. Just a little bit. It might it might do some things, but it might pull back. Like give it some time to dip. I think it'll like go up first. Like there'll be a lot of hype first, and then the hype will get sold, and then um, it's like after it kind of does its thing. I think Elon Musk might do his thing, but I think his name will push up the value on it for sure. So I used to have TD. That's legit too, but hard on the eyes if you're new. Bro, I used to, yeah, Thinkorswim used to be good outside of the fact that, bro, the actual trading platform on my computer, bro, that was, bro, it used like so much like RAM. I don't think my streams would like run as smoothly if I was still using it. So opening day on SpaceX will bring out the bags. Yeah, but you'll have to bring the bags of like the cash. You don't have to buy the shares because there likely won't be any options day one. I believe that's usually how it is. I have Hood, Bull, Moo, Fidelity. Uh I have the Fidelity for the purposes of like my 401ks and stuff like that at one point. But I took all that money out, and I don't know, now that I'm under myself, yeah, I have nothing to do with Fidelity. So now it's like I can have my stuff wherever I want it. But I remember when I would try to pick investments for Fidelity, I didn't like the options and stuff. And it's like I would try to like do certain stocks and stuff. It's like they wouldn't let it happen. Like when I was working at Amazon, they would let me buy Amazon, which was good because it was like I was getting in at like $80 a share and whatnot. It was cool, but then and like even while I was there, it was like, oh, that was a good dip for Amazon when I was it was going in for like 80, but then and they were like matching it too to a certain amount. But I didn't get the match because apparently you had to work there 3 years. I only worked there like a year and a half. But nah, 3 years there. Nah, that would have. I feel like I would be a shell of who I am right now because that place really like I think like so many people there are like so negative with this like negative outlook on the world. I was like I tried to just keep to myself, but somehow people still like came over and like found their way to me. So I think this one definitely hard on RAM. I have Weeble downloaded. Do y'all like it? Uh yeah, I would say Weeble is it's chill for that. Like whenever it goes to like actually like oh you said tracing, but you probably meant trading. Yeah, I would say Weeble's chill, honestly. If I'm being honest. Like I'm gonna say Weeble and Mumu are very similar. Let me see what the Mumu or Weeble interface is looking like. I don't really use it like that. I've really been like liking them what I've been seeing on Mumu, but yeah, let me log in on um Weeble. Oh, they want my password. Let's see if I know it. All right, first try. Okay. Yeah, let me look around. Let's try to. Oh, they got voice trading. Okay, let's see. They've definitely like changed the design a little bit. Okay, they got some data. I think I like the data that like there's some data and statistics that you see on Mumu that I still prefer. So I think Mumu's gonna be better for that. But the chart's chill. It looks like I would say the interface looks like a simplified, like a futuristic, like a simplified futuristic look compared to what it kind of looked like. Like when I say futuristic, don't expect anything like super high tech, but it's just like this is how I feel like things are. They kind of look now. What is this? I mean, yeah, it's chill. All right, so we got Euro close in 21 minutes. That's when the European markets close, and the money over there typically starts flowing over to our market. So you might see more volume either to the upside or to the downside. Usually like sometimes 15 minutes before, 15-30 minutes after. So we might start seeing some either we might see us like, oh, pushing up, or like, oh, we're coming down here pretty soon. Just to let y'all know and kind of inform y'all. Let's see. Check back in on Apple. Jovi, I have Webull downloaded. Oh, okay, your ass. Fidelity for options is trash. Have not tried SoFi yet, but Hood. Have I tried? I'm not sure I've tried options on SoFi. I feel like I've traded one. You know what? Let me check. I'm not sure I've tried options. I think I have though. Invest. Can I like see my history? I think the only stocks I've ever bought in SoFi were Palantir and SoFi. Nah, I don't think. Nah, I don't think I ever. Ooh, bro, I'm looking at my old Palantir purchases. Oh, it kind of hurts seeing them. Like seeing like, oh, I had ARM in here too. I had ARM at $55. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I got the IPO on ARM. Fubo. Oh, I made money on Fubo in here. I just okay. So I've never traded options in here. Right? Yeah, I see all the Palantir buys. Oh, it looks like I was buying like $10 a day. Oh no, I had ARM at $51. I think that was the IPO price. Oh, that's wild. You have to pay for real time data on Webull. Paid $3.28 monthly. Honestly, that's not even a bad price. That's like, but I used to be cheap, and I used to be like, oh, bro, they want me to pay $3.21 for. They want me to pay $3.21 for live data, but also it feels like that because you get it for free on other platforms. But also, like when I think about it, it's like, oh wait, hold up, I pay $5 a month for Robinhood, but they just have other stuff that makes it feel like I'm not also paying for live quotes. But I guess that is kind of what's going on there too. So yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like had arm at 51 with the IPO. All right, SPY testing its pre-market high again, coming into like 15 minutes before Euro close. Let me check in on the 5 minute. Let's see. You see, we kind of got the little double top over here. Like, oh, you got a top, you got another top. Yo, we got the neckline over here around like 736. So I guess like yo, SPY comes back to retest this 736 area. We'll see what it does. Let me see AMD on the 5 minute. What's that looking like? You said what trades am I in? I'm in a what is it? So the SPY put I have is watch listed, and I have I have AMD. I got an AMD put. Let me see. I'm kind of just waiting for. Oh, it's down again. That was like 10 cents. So I'll average down one more time. Let's see, while it's down like this. Maybe. All right, yeah, I grabbed one more. Average cost is 25 cents per share on AMD. That 412 put. So if we can get some kind of fall with momentum instead of this theta burning out, yo, it's gonna be all good. But yeah, I'd like to see us go here, but yo, let's watch for SPY to 735. All right, so pulling back on the SPY. Oh, I'm trading 0 DTEs today. Yeah, we got the balls to the wall today, mate. Hey, high risk. But yeah, we're just trying to get like one good bout of momentum and then get on out. Let those contracts spike up. Huh? That doesn't even make sense. Hold up. My numbers have been adjusted. All right, so we're pulling back on the SPY. Okay, so actually my average cost on AMD is 21 cents per share. Monica, hey, tell me about Alpha Trader that's on our Discord. So he is a trader. Like uh he trades like pretty much everything. Like he has a lot of penny stocks plays, a lot of uh options trades. I like what he does. Like he gets money. Just to simplify it, like he gets money. Like he's good. Um, he posts his links too. Like I'm gonna be real. Like you gotta like focus to watch his videos, but like if you want to trade like what's hot and what has potential, the amount of things that I have seen him post when it was like $2 and says like, oh, this can break out and go. And then it's like, oh, this was $2 and then it ran up to like, I don't know, like 200 or something. He is like he's like all over that. And it's like the stuff he posts you can legit like he'll post penny stock stuff, but it's like the penny stocks move like options. So it's like whenever you have more money, like kind of on the side, or like whenever I have more money on the side, when it's like, all right, I might want to throw like $200 in some penny stocks or something. That's when I go to Alpha Trader. So if you look in my Discord, here, let me show you. So in the Discord, real quick, even if you're in the free section, the foundation section, you should see Alpha Trader. So stock analyst, you got me, and you got Alpha Trader, and he just kind of like will post kind of chart stuff. He'll also post his stuff, his YouTube videos and stuff, and he'll kind of give analysis, like show like some of his trades. And yeah, that's like a free part of the Discord, but it's just that's Alpha Trader. Oh, hold on, let's move that down. I understand Alpha Trader. You said I understand Alpha Trader. Thick accent, but it's no, yeah. Yeah, that's the part that's hard to understand. Yes, he does have the accent, but yeah, it's like if you are paying attention, or a real cheat code is if you watch, like if you download the Gemini browser and then just like go to his videos and then just have it summarize it, Gemini can understand. And if you can just like if you just read it, that's one thing. But Darren said Alpha is a bloodhound for hot tips. You said how about Sire Abram? Yeah, we're chill. Yeah, we're chill. Yeah, he's cool too. So there's a like story there. So like I would say Sire's like one of the coldest traders that I know. Like when it comes to options, like yeah, he prints money. He prints money. I'm gonna say like there was a point in time I tried to like follow him, like printing the money. I'm gonna say it's like hard for me to follow because he's kind of like quick with it, but like yo, he prints money. I'll say that. You said, okay, I've been watching the videos that are in the disc. I don't know. Yeah, it's like, I don't know if you find them helpful, but yeah, it's like, even like summarizing the information from his videos, I'm low key, I might have to start doing that. Like, just more regularly. Like, just, yeah, because it's like, a lot of times, like, when I listen to stock market videos, I like to kind of like be able to listen, but like, I gotta like watch and listen. Like it's kind of like the whole like idea of like driving at night. It's like, oh, hold up, let me turn the volume down so I can see. Like it's like yo, I need like no stimulation. to focus on it. But Alpha Trader, he's cool. He's like chill too. If you understand the basics and stick to his low, hey, for real. You said Gemini, really? Yeah. So here, let me. I'm not sure where's. Is it on my? Here, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Let me go to a YouTube video, and I'll like show y'all what it looks like when it. So if I click on a random YouTube video, let's see.
Hi everybody, Harris here.
All right. So I'm not sure if this is just there whenever people do it, but if I go on a random YouTube video, this is what I see. And then there's this button right here. You got the little Gemini logo, and it says ask. It'll summarize the video. If I say, wait, hold up, I don't know where it just took me. Oh, like right here, it took me down here, summarize the video. So now it's going to sit here, it's going to summarize the video. This video provides a comprehensive guide to the 7th generation iPad mini, talks about the design, accessories, connectivity, blah, blah, blah. Bro, let me try this with like an actual stock person real quick. Let's see. Somebody doing like stock levels and stuff. All right, so hey, we got Zip Trader right here. Let's see what he's gonna say. All right, so we got Charlie from Zip Trader. I guess it's not just sitting right there, but if I hit where's the hold up, I don't see it here. Hold up 1 second. What happened to Gemini? Bro, it was just there on that last video. That's wild. I don't know, but if you see that and you have the Gemini browser or Gemini extension like on your YouTube, then yeah, you can do that. Very welcome, Dominique. Bro, we are just chilling at these levels. Yeah, they're gonna. It might be close, bro. I'm either gonna make a bag today, or they're just gonna burn theta on me. We'll see. I guess I'll have to update y'all next week. Darren, I wonder if native Spanish speaking people can understand Alpha than native English speaker. I would bet if he speaks Spanish for sure. But I'm not sure about the I don't know. That's like I feel like if they're speaking Spanish, yeah, but I feel like they'll probably still have as hard a time with the English understanding it. That's why they typically like flip to their own language. Like it's like whenever I was in Spain and I was just around a bunch of languages, or like when I was in Hungary, it's like my family would try to speak in English, and they would speak in English most of the time, but then it's like, oh, hold up, I don't know this in English, so it's like, oh yeah, let's flip to Hungarian. Oh, we'll flip back to English, and it's like I don't know, it's like there's something to be said about knowing multiple languages though. When buying an option, is it recommended to buy? Oh no. I usually the wisest thing, the more time you get on your contract, the more time you allow for your thesis to play out. So a lot of times, what goes wrong is like not having time. So what I fail most on in my trades is like the fact that like, oh, I didn't get enough trade, like that is the number one thing, or I didn't get enough time. That is the number one thing. Like when I reflect and look back on my trades, it's like what went wrong here. It's like either I wasn't patient enough on the entry, and it's like, okay, should have waited a little bit more for the entry. And the next reason is, okay, didn't get enough time on the trade. Those are the reasons I personally lose trades. And like whenever I do one-on-ones with people and we like look back at their trades, oftentimes it is because they didn't get enough time on their trade. So I would say, especially starting out, better to get more time on your trades. But it's like me coming here doing like zero DTEs. That's like, understand this is like high risk, like very high risk. This is not like this is like gambling and speculation, just because it's like I can know where it's going, but like there are market makers, there are people on the other side of these trades who have large amounts of money, and they can see the orders that are going in, and they can see how many are there, and they're like, oh, if these people, if we move this here, like this, like the price needs to go here, but we need to wait to move it here so these people don't get paid out so much. And it's like when you don't have time, you give yourself less opportunity to take profits. Sometimes they move. Sometimes they move the options like after, or they move the stock after the market is closed, and and you can't trade options. And like that might be some of the only times your levels actually get hits, and it's very annoying. But yeah, it's like usually you get a lot more cushion and benefits getting time on your options. Um, Here, let's see. You said, what strategy do I use? A sweep of liquidity. I legit am editing a video right now. Uh, that is my exact trading strategy. It's like I think right now the video is about 23 minutes long. I'm still cutting it, but it's like my whole trading strategy with one example of a trade I took, and it breaks it down. It's like the video kind of video you would probably need to come back and watch like multiple times. But if you wanted to know my strategy, if you wanted to like say like, oh, how is he doing it? It's 100% how I do it. Like I am not gatekeeping anything on it. That's what it is. But yeah, legit editing it right now. I'm watching it. I'm like, yo, it's kind of boring seeing me watch here, like sit here and like watch it. But it's like if you have that want to and you want to know, it's like, yo, it's cool. It's like everything you want. All right, I'm a beginner. By the way, I have no experience with options really. All right, so I sent the stream's about to end, but like I do want to like respond to y'all real quick. So I sent this earlier. Wait, let me see. So here, I'll paste this real quick in the chat. Who said that? Was it Hex? Why is it not? I don't know. I'm gonna just paste it. But yeah, that link. Wait, wrong one. This will take you here. If you don't understand options, um, like if you understand the charting but not options, I would say after you get to this one shows you how to trade options, how to practice trading options. But if you want to understand option pricing, I would check this out. And if you want to know how to find, honestly, I'd probably just skip to the hack for finding the perfect option strike price. But um, this playlist will get you pretty dangerous for trading options. I probably need to, here, let me slide this. 'Cause this is supposed to, this is the old one, this is the new one. Oh yeah, they're taking their time. Let me make sure I got everyone else. Big bro, talk to me with Nvidia. Oh, is Nvidia doing something? They trying to pop off? I think it's done for the day. Time and trend is your friend on options. I can count hundreds of trades with not getting a. You and me both. But yeah, with that being said, family, um, I'm leaning on us like just dropping here in the next hour or so, but we'll see. Uh, that is going to do it for the day, family. Uh, Appreciate each and every one of y'all for rolling through. Next week, hey, we will be back. Y'all didn't tell me the title for the next week's live stream. We'll be trading with $100. We'll have a new account, and yeah, we'll try to. What is it? They said $100 to $1,000. We're definitely. I would say the odds of us doing that in one day. Not leaning on that happening, but yeah, we can trade that up over a span of weeks. But yeah, appreciate each and every one of y'all coming through. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, NWBLKR. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Darren. Peace out, Dominique. Peace out, Hex. Peace out, Classy86. Peace out, Quentin. Hey, peace out, me. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Travis. Peace out, Monica. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out. Yeah. Peace out, Master 3DRC. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for being here. Oh, peace out, M-Sense. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.